Check, check, check. We good? We got sound now. Mic check. Can you hear me? Should be able to hear me now. Looks like my audio is coming through. Should be all good now. I'm going to turn it up a little bit, though. There we go. All right. How we sound? Sound good? We sounding Gucci? Still a little low? Is my audio low or does it need to be turned up? Talk to me. It is low? Well, working on it. Okay. What about now? I feel like you're hearing everything now with that. Hang on, chat. Something's not right. Something's not right with my audio. What about now? Does it sound okay? What about now? Does it sound okay? No, that sounds horrible. Chat, I don't know what's going on. I don't know why my audio is doing what it's doing. Check. Mic check. What about now? Check, check, check. Chat, I don't know. Hopefully that sounds better. I don't know what's going on. I feel like my audio is all jacked up at the moment. Somebody help me. Somebody help. What up, Mickey? Well, chat, I'm sorry if my audio sounds off or odd or I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully now it sounds a little bit better. All right. Anyways, Grav, are you using Quant Tower? No, I am not using Quant Tower. I use Project X and TraderVate. Project X and TradeOvate. Good morning, happy Monday. Not the Monday I wanted to start off with. Having audio issues right off the rip like that. That's annoying. That's mad annoying, chat. Holy. Holy. Market is choppy. Yeah. Don't look great. Just hide all this for a second. Interesting kind of sideways action on the higher time frame here. Makes you wonder if we put in that higher low right here if we continue just ripping higher, or if we're going to reject all this and just move lower. Be interesting. Be interesting. Gonna be watching really this level here, which we're really close to, 856. We pop that, we probably go to the 900s. Let's say like 920s all the way up to 960s. Pretty good chance that happens if we do pop that 850. What was that? 855s, 856s, roughly. Something to watch there. Chat, you'll see I added a few elements to the stream. We added a little bit of time and sales action. And to the left of time and sales, you can see the order book level 2 data. Added a little bit more levels to the stream, if you know what I mean. Raj, good morning. Good morning. Tesla is getting beat up, it looks like. Tesla is sinking a little bit this morning. Interesting. We got Nvidia holding up, but Tesla looked like it's trying to sink a little bit. We have interesting we have news this week, chat. We have news this week. Today, I don't think we have anything today. Trump attending the G7 today at 9:30. Let's see. Tomorrow we have retail sales, production. Wednesday, jobless claims, housing, and FOMC rate statement. That'll be Wednesday. Let's see. Thursday. Nothing really happening on Thursday. And we get to Friday. We have consumer confidence. So, a little bit of news this week. That rate statement on Wednesday is going to be pretty big. Pretty big. By the way, happy late Father's Day to all the followers out there. Hope you guys had a good Father's Day. We just took my son, my wife and I, we just took my son and took him out to eat for a good little lunch. Hope you guys had a good Father's Day, though. We got about 10 minutes till market open. 10.5 minutes. Surprise market's green. Hopefully it stays that way. Hopefully it stays that way. I'd like to catch a little pullback and a ride back up into the 900s. That's what I'm really wanting. Ride this thing into the 900s. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button for your boy Freeway, support the channel. We need to get more likes on the stream. We got so far 10 people in here. We got 1 like, bro. Hit the like button for me. Let's get some viewers. Helps get more viewers into the stream. So if you can, do me a favor, smash that like button with some serious authority. That would be greatly appreciated. $900 good long target. Yeah. I like to be catching that long in the 900s. But we'll see what happens when market opens up here. Opening in about 8 minutes. 8 minutes till open. Suppose we need to do a little Instagram story too. Forgot to do that, chat. Hang on. Need to get a little Instagram story up. Oh, baby, we live. We live. Got the chat. Charts. Lots of charts. Got to make some money on a Monday. We live. Bang, bang. Story made, chat. Story made. Oh, baby, we live. Chat, we got about 7.5 minutes till market open. 7.5 minutes. Tesla is making me a little bit nervous, chat. Tesla looking kind of weak. We'll see what happens here at open, though. See what happens at open. We got some orders sitting down at 20 or at 800. We got 21 orders sitting at 800. 21 orders sitting at 825. Not really a whole lot of orders sitting in the market right now. I imagine that'll change when markets do open. We are sitting, let's see, well above VWAP here on the extended hours time frame. Again, guys, if you have not already, do me a favor, smash that like button. It's free. It's free way to support the channel. Have a thumb war with it. Just press it. Pop, pop. Press it. Helps the stream more than you may think. If you do me a favor, smash that like button. All right, chat. 3.5 minutes till market open. Mario in the building just dropping in to say belated happy Father's Day, taking the week off. Thank you, Mario. If you are a dad, happy Father's Day to you too. Appreciate you. Enjoy your week off. What contract are you trading? I'm on MNQ. It's showing a different price from yours. I'm on the just in the NQ futures, the June contract. Did we actually roll, chat? Hold on. Oh wait, we did roll. Did we roll? Thanks. I don't know yet. You're gonna have to give me any time. I think we did roll. Is there more volume on the U contract? That might be why. Yeah, there might actually be more volume on the U. Yeah, that's probably why. So you should see the same price now. I guess there is. I guess we're already on more volume for the U contract. Project X had already rolled from the M to the U, so that's where we are. Yo, is Mel in a building? What's up? Sure, if I said to probably use the U contract, yeah. Well, there you have it. We're on the U. On le U. Which means I need to change over these charts too. U, and then change over the ES here. Bang, bang. All right, we good. Market's opening up here in just a couple seconds. Seeing a little bit of sellers come through. Trader 007 in the building. What's up, Trader? Good morning. Market's open. Good luck. We shall take the market by the throat today, chat. We shall take it by the throat. Of course, Trader 007. Of course. Oh, we are ripping right off the open here. Really need to take it. Had a very bad close last week. My 1K recovery gave it all back on Thursday and Friday. Oh no. Oh no. All right, well, we just popped that, let's see, 75 level there. Working our way up. Back to my 100-day journey again for another 10 days. You got it, bro. You got it. You can do it. It ain't no thing, bro. It ain't no thing. Don't even trip. Brandon Lopez in the building. Good morning. Good morning. It's catching a little bit of a pullback here. A little bit of a pullback ski. Book looks really thin for the open. We have a lot of orders. We have more orders sitting up higher at 900. We have 45 up at 900. Oh, wait, not 900. What am I doing? Hold on. I gotta change my book map over. I forgot to roll it forward. Hang on. Let's see. NQ. U. There we go. There we go. Now I'm all set on book map. Are we sure the volume? There's more volume on the U contract than the M contract? I know Tradeovate mentioned it and talks of, or Project X already rolled, but I'm not so sure. It looks very split. Or am I just tripping? Hmm. Now it's looking like she want to just send it higher. Struggling at this 70s level. Get back above it. She can get back above 70s. Chat, as a reminder, we are giving away a free Tradeify Advanced 50K account today on stream. So make sure you're tuned in when we do the giveaway. We're going to do that towards the end of the stream. So make sure you are tuned in because we're going to make that happen. We're going to do some duck races. Some ducky duck races for the free Tradeify 50K account. And while we're waiting on price to settle, you know you can always get the best deals possible. Actually, this graphic's wrong, chat. Hold on. The Tradeify graphic's wrong. It's 30% off with Tradeify now, not 33%. So 30% off Tradeify, just as an FYI. Code JM. Get the best deals possible there. Take profit, 30% off, no activation fee. Code JM. You know the deal. Code JM, everything you guys do to support the community goes back into the community for giveaways and etc. Appreciate you guys. Always. Always. Now it's trying to work its way back up here. I actually need to fix that graphic for Tradeify. Tradeify is now 30% off, chat, not 33. It's like Tesla is trying to find a bottom here. Both ES and NAS moving higher. Bo, what up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy freaking Monday. Holy. It's a Monday, chat. It is a Monday, baby. We got to hit the gym later once we're done trading. Chat, we got a lot to do today. We got a lot to do today after we're done trading. All right, so we did sweep that level, and we are trying to come back down to it here. This is an interesting little move back down. We'll see if the move up holds or if we're going to sell back down here. So far, trying to hold. It is roll week, chat, so we got to be careful. Don't get overly excited on price. It is roll week. You know, roll week can be a little bit wonky with volume splits between contracts. So be careful with that. Do. Watching to see if we do end up holding this up here, if we're going to sell off, sell it back down. A lot of buyers on time and sales. But not looking like she want to hold it. Chat, what'd you guys do for Father's Day, bro? Talk to me. How was your Father's Day? What was the Father's Day plans? Oh, popping back up here. Maybe she want to go back into the 100s. Went out for some nice ribeye steaks. Oh, baby. Love me a good steak. Are you a medium rare guy or a medium? How do we like our cut? Like we like it cooked. We like it barely cooked. We like it blue. We like it just pink in the middle. How we liking the steaks? Medium rare. Is there any other way? You'd be surprised, bro. Some people like their steak just straight up like torched. Like take a freaking blowtorch to that thing and just burn it. Like some people like that. I don't trust them. I'm not friends with them. I'll never be friends with them. But some people like that. Shoe leather dipped in ketchup. Ugh. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Ketchup doesn't belong on steak. I'll be honest. If you put ketchup on steak, we need. I don't know. I don't know about you. I can't take you out for a steak dinner. If you put ketchup on steak, I ain't taking you out for a steak dinner. More on the rare side. There you go. Nice and pink, baby. That's the way we like it. Nothing belongs on steak except for seasoning. I mean, get a good seasoning going on. You don't need any sauce on a steak, though. If you need sauce on a steak, you didn't cook it right. Interesting wick here. Rejecting those 100s. Rejecting the 100s. Wow. Seller is just pushing through. That was an interesting little sell there. Put in a wick at the top there. Selling back below 75. It's interesting, chat. That's interesting. And look at us popping right back up there. Chat, this is that roll. This is that roll week price action, bro. Holy. Roll week PA, baby. It's so dangerous. Feeling dangerous. We reject 100s, pop down to the 59s, and then pop right back up into the 100s. Welcome to Roll Week. There were 299 orders filled on the buy side on the Nasdaq at 299 orders at 85. You can see it there on time and sales on the screen there. 299 orders there. They got filled. Probably gonna wait until we get up into the 140s, see what we do. I'm not really I'm not gonna rush a position here. Gonna let price kind of play out. See what we can get popping off. How many likes we got on the stream, chat? We have 12 likes. We have 25 people. Chat, if you have not already, do me a favor, hit the like button, brother. It's free. It's absolutely free. I promise you, I don't charge a single penny to hit the like button. So do me a favor, smash that like button with some serious authority, brother. Also, chat, we're doing something different. Instead of streaming gold on YouTube, we're going to trade gold live in Discord. I need to show my Discord people love, bro. So we got to go live in Discord. So I think we're going to move the gold streams into Discord. So we stream market open here on YouTube, and gold in the evening will be streamed in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, link in the description. Make sure you join up. Make sure to join up. We've got negative delta, and we are just ripping higher. That's interesting for us to be trying to grind higher on some negative delta here. Holy. Holy. No longer negative delta. Slow market. A little bit. Well, that filled that gap. Nas just shaking everything off. Moving higher. Sweet previous week high on new contract. Yeah. Nas is ripping. We are ripping. 'Showing no sign of wanting to slow down either. $115 up once again. Day 1 out of 10. You got it, bro. You got it. You could do it. I believe in you, brother. You just gotta believe. Nice, Mario. Lock her out. Lock her out. Haven't seen anything I really want to take yet. To be honest, I know I'm finally doing better just by knowing my funded account has lasted a month. Way more for it. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, most people don't hold their funded accounts longer than a month. That's just fact. Most people do not hold it longer than a month. 150 orders just got filled on the buy side at 166. And 163. Some large orders. Nice, Bo. 315. Love to see it. You'll love to see it. We do have a little bit of resistance up here on the Nasdaq on the higher time frame. We'll see if it holds or if we blow it right through it. We might blow it right through it. Might just blow it right through it, chat. All right, into a meeting BRB. All right. Sounds good. I'll welcome you back with open arms. Still grinding higher here, showing no sign of slowing down. We are getting closer to that resistance area. Looking at 192 as a possible resistance. See what happens. Bop, bop, bop. If we see some sort of weakness come through at this level here, we may look at a short. We really need to see weakness come through, though. I'd be stepping in front of a train. So I need some sort of confirmation that sellers want to come through at this resistance area. We got to be careful about this too, like, because we've shown struggle before, right? So, but anytime we've like shown like we were trying to get weak, even a little bit, we always pop right back up. So I'm not really trying to get short off the first sign of weakness. Like I really want to see potential on follow through. We've only had one red 5-minute candle since open, chat. Only one red 5-minute candle. Bop, bop, bop. All right, finally getting a little bit of weakness here at this resistance level. I like it enough to attempt a short here. So I think we might attempt one shot. We're at this resistance. I think I could feel okay taking it. I'm going to take it, chat. I'm going to take it. We can give us a little bit of room. Really no more than a pop of the high there. So risking 390. We don't want to see Delta get weak and flip. I want to see Delta get weak here and flip. These are just also combine accounts here, chat. These are not my funded accounts yet. I'm not really, I might check my funded account if I see like an A plus setup, but it's also roll week and a Monday. So I'm starting off in just combines right now. I'm not overly eager to trade my funded accounts right now. So we'll work on these combines here. See if we can get them one step closer to passing. These are top step combines, 100Ks. See if we can get them one step closer. So far, not getting the follow through I really wanted. Delta just flipped negative. It's a good sign. We had 269 sell orders, chat, come through on the time and sales. $269 sell orders. Targeting about 120s here. If we can get 120s. Need to stay weak here, though. Delta did go negative, but Delta's kind of hovering back. So we need sellers to step back in and hold here. Otherwise, we'll probably get stopped out on this. Probably get stopped out. Yeah, Delta's going positive. We're going to get stopped. There we go. All right, stopped out. Stopped out 400 loss there. We did have a headline come out earlier by Iran. Whether that played a role in that or not. Stopped out. On to the next. Down 400. I think the most points we took on that was like 15. We were looking for a little bit more. But it looks like we want to work our way back up to possibly run these highs at 191. Still kind of watching this resistance area here. Starting to kind of think we may try popping this. Which would send us straight into the 200s there. If we do. Straight into the 200s. See if it sends it. I imagine that if it does, it'd probably be a quick move, just given the nature of the week with it being roll week and split volume. I imagine that things will go quick if we do pop levels. See if this thing wants to go back into 200s. Just full send it. We are hovering this resistance back here. Pop of all that will send us into the 200s. Still showing a little bit of rejection here, though. This PA is slow. Slow, slow, slow. Got some positive delta growing here, so we might send it. But she's got to go. The longer we hang here, the weaker we could get. So now it's going to go. It needs to go. We do have liquidity stacked higher. We have 53 orders down at 124s. All right, pushing higher. See if she goes in the 200s. Delta did grow a little bit there. Can she do it? Trade 190. We're right at the top of this resistance area, so if it pops, it's going to pop big. Pop us right into the 2 undos. Definitely hovering here, trying. Surprised we're not pushing the 200s yet. It is just chilling here. I mean, just barely making moves up. Now we're starting to reject it. Starting to reject it now. I mean, we barely swept a little bit of that resistance. Now we're just coming down. Coming down, chat. Rejecting those 200s. We really got to like 194 before we rejected. We'll see if it wants to make another stab at it. Might. So far, still rejecting this. You can definitely tell it's roll weak. I mean, the price action is really just bouncy. Oh, chat SPA. What do you do with it? Just go pop in the 200s. Pop it. Go to 200s. Two hundreds. We're still kind of teetering with this here. Pop those 200s. Oh, there's 200. Now we get follow through. Still got to pop this. Okay, we're getting in the 200s there. Trade 201. But man, we need that big pop, chat. That big pop. The big pop, they're going to send it. Still rejecting those 200s. What's this price at right here? 202. Got that top at 202 there. That's what we got to pop is 202. We get a 202 pop. Looks pretty good. It's got to pop 202. Oh, we popped it. And right back down below 200 as we go. Jazz PA stuff. I mean, it's moving up. Like we straight lined it up, but you can definitely feel the roll week. You can just feel it. Kind of just nudging higher here. I'm surprised we didn't get a big pop of this. Like, I mean, for us to pop this resistance over here, I mean, it was kind of a slow pop. Didn't really pop anything. It's kind of interesting. Kind of interesting. And now my suspicions are growing about 200s here and whether or not we're going to hold above 200s. Chat, going to Orange. While we're waiting on price, going to Orange Beach on 4th of July week. Never actually been to Orange Beach. Any of you guys been to Orange Beach? I heard the sand there is like super white. It looks really cool. Looks good. All right, here we go. We're rejecting those 200s again. 200s getting rejected. Chat, I'm taking a short. I'm short for 190, 193. So we're taking a short, anticipating that we're going to fail these 200s. Stop's going to be up there, right at the high. See if we can follow through down to the 177s. Push through the 177s there. If I get a push of this, that'd be beautiful. That would be beautiful, chat. If that happens, I'll trail down. Might be a struggle pushing through here, given all these wicks. But we'll see if it can. Popping back up there. I at least want to see 177s. If I can get that, we may just take it off. Unless this thing pops up and takes us out of the trade. I'll actually, yeah, I'm going to let it take me out at 175 if we can get 175. I'll let it take me out there. Just need 10 more points. Just a little more push. A little more push. We just needed 5 more points, bro. We just needed 5 more points. Come on now. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. There's no way I'm getting edged. 2 points off. No way you're going to edge me right here, Nas. Naz, there's no way you're gonna edge me. Chad, there's no way I just got edged, bro. By 2 points, I just got edged. Oh. I cannot believe I just got edged by 2 points, chat. That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. By 2 points. That's enough Sinji on tilt. That is enough to send you on tilt, chat. Oh, brother. Just happened to me also. 1 point to my TP and never touched. It's so annoying. Like it's the worst feeling. Like it's the kind of stuff that will send you that that's like I feel like that tilts me the most. Like when I have a TP set and it edges me and then doesn't never fill it and then goes and stops me out for a loss. I think that's my tilt trigger. That is my tilt trigger. Like I'm cool with getting into a trade and then getting stopped out and then it running in my favor. Like I'm cool with that. Like, and I won't tilt over that. You know what I mean? Like I'll take the loss even if I was right on the trade. But when it edges me like this, that's my tilt trigger. And I'm like trying so hard to be patient with this. I mean, it even edged my stop. Look at that, chat. It went to 206. My stop's at 208. 2 points from my take profit, 2 points from my stop loss. Holy. This is the worst. The absolute worst. Think it's coming down no matter what. I hope. I would love for it to. MNQ already wicked. Well, I need NQ to wick down. That's what I need. I need NQ to shut the fuck up and go down. That's what I needed to happen. Because it's already pissed me off. I'm already chat. Listen, bro. I'm all I'm already kind of getting tilted. So that tilted me. I'm not gonna lie. After this trade, we have to call it, bro. We have to call it after this trade because otherwise, I'm gonna do some stupid shit. I know me. I know myself. Look at this, bro. I know myself. I'm gonna do some stupid shit. We gotta lock it up after this trade. You fucking kidding me, bro? Just calm down. I would just close it. Yeah, the problem is if I do that, it's definitely going to my take profit. 100%. There is no question. If I close a trade, it is going to fucking just jet right straight down to my take profit. Guaranteed, brother. Guaranteed. And then I'm going to tilt even heavier. No, don't say she's coming down because then she's going to go up. I'll fucking jinx it. No, G-Man, they don't, bro. They don't. They don't look great at all. Please. Please. Nasdaq, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. 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 Pretty please. Oh my goodness. Oh, brother. Flatten off, flatten off, flatten off, flatten off, flatten off, flatten off, flatten off. All day. Lock out. Guess what? Me out. My camera just died, chat. What the hell? Holy moly, chat. I'm done. I am done, brother. Let's do a giveaway, huh? Wait, well, I forget the name of the thing. What was it? Hold on. Was this it? Wait, I gotta download? No, I don't want to download. Hold on. Chat, we're gonna do a giveaway. Oh, here's what we're going to do, chat. Because that trade almost sent me on tilt. I'm not even going to say almost, bro. It did. It did send me on tilt. That's not the one I want. Hold on. Chat, we're doing a giveaway, but I got to find the duck race thing that I always use. I need to bookmark it. Maybe if I do duck race name picker, hold on. Name picker. Is this it? Yeah, here we go. All right, this is it. I'm gonna bookmark this. Hey, bookmark. The hell? Bookmark this tab. Duck race. Done. All right. Here we go. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. Because I almost went full tilt mode just then. We're going to give away a Tradeify 50K advanced account. It's for an advanced account. Comment tilt in the chat. Because I almost went tilt. All right, we'll give it a couple more minutes. Make sure everybody's in. Make sure if you want to enter the giveaway to comment tilt in the chat. If you want to enter the giveaway. We've got 14 people. We're going to just give it a few more minutes here. To enter the giveaway, make sure you comment tilt in the chat. Gringo, I already got you. All right, chat, is that everybody? 16 people. Going once. Going twice. All right. Actually, here, we'll do 2 minutes. Make it interesting. We want to see it get interesting, chat. All right. Good luck. Good luck. Who's it gonna be, chat, for the Tradeify 50K advanced account? Amar coming into the lead. Gringo on his tail. Holy moly, it's a close one, chat. It's a close one, Amar. Oh, Gringo falling behind, running out of gas. Handcakes. Trader 007. Who's it gonna be? G-Man trying to make his way up. Marty. Trader 007's in the lead. Marty's running out of gas. G-Man trying to work his way into the lead here. Brandon turned on the nitro. Uh-oh, we got Naif. Naif pumping the gas. Holy moly. Naif. Naif flipped the switch for the boosters. Active trying to get active. Active is trying to get active, trying to take the lead from Brandon. Iramirez coming in. Holy moly. Active. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Abdallah. Abdallah. Muhammad's turning it up. Muhammad's turning it up. Uh-oh, Abdallah ran out of gas. Holy moly, Abdallah just fell off. It's a close one, shot. It is a close one. We got 10 seconds. Who's it going to be? Someone's got to turn on the gas. Someone's got to pump it up. Holy moly, is it going to be the paint? The paint. Are you in the chat? The paint, if you're here. I'll give you a couple minutes to comment in the chat. The paint. Oh, here he is. GG's. All right, paint. If you are you in my Discord? If you're not in Discord, there's a link in the description of the video, the YouTube video, this live video. There's a link down in the description. Make sure to join on Discord. Send me a DM on Discord and I'll get you taken care of. Congrats, Paint. You've won a 50K advanced account with Tradeify. Send me a DM in Discord. We'll get you hooked up. GG's. Chat, we're up $560 on the day. I'm done, bro. I'm done. I don't want to trade anymore. I have no reason to trade. That last trade damn near sent me on tilt, chat. I'm not going to lie to you. In fact, I won that trade and I'm still almost tilted. So if that says anything, that says call it a day. You know what I mean? That says call it a day. So that's exactly what we're going to do, chat. We're going to call it there. GG's. Chat, we're going to be live in Discord for gold tonight. We're going to be trading gold live in Discord. So if you want to tune in to gold, make sure you're there. Or be square. Bam. If you continue trading, be safe. This PA is a little wonky. It's a little wonky. We have news later this week. It's roll week. It's not the week to be sizing up. It is the week to be being strategic. Taking only the A+ setups that you see available.